Wigan Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Josh C. of Wisconsin. Josh, this is the console that you sent in. It is a Corona 4 gigabyte. It did require a postfix, so that puts it in like V5, V6 sort of territory. We did it, modded it using the Muffin CR4 method using a Matrix V1. We did the blue LEDs on the front as you requested. Inside the sleeve here is a disk that contains backups of all of your original files. As you can see, you get a nice fast boot time here. And then we've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX Menu, and Aurora Dash all pre-installed on the console. I believe I remember you asking me to set up Aurora Dash to be the default here, so that's what I've done. But it's a really simple change to modify that to be something else if you want. Just really quickly, if you hit the settings button, so down there at the bottom where it shows the play button, you can go to, actually hold on, I'm saying that wrong. Let's see, system? Yeah, there we go. So sorry, at the very bottom kind of menu bar there where it says system, the back button, you can hit that file manager right here, and then you can go to the hard drive and you can see the Dash Launch folder. If you launch that default.xex within Dash Launch, all you have to do is modify that path. Right now it's set to default boot aurora.xex, and you could change that to be freestyle if you wanted to. So definitely appreciate your business. Everything went well. This console's singing, doing exactly what it's supposed to do. So we'll get this thing packed up, and I believe my mail has not yet run today, so I'm going to try to sneak it out here still today, Friday, which means you're probably looking at about a Monday delivery, maybe Tuesday. If the mail has already run by the time I get it up there, it may not actually ship out until Saturday, at which point you're probably looking at like Tuesday, Wednesday sort of delivery. But again, thank you and enjoy.